If you are locked out of the screen displaying that iPhone lock to owner, follow the steps to use Joyoshare Activation Unlocker to bypass it. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your Mac and run Joyoshare Activation Unlocker. Find the disclaimer and read it carefully. After hitting the Agree button, click Start to wait for your device to enter recovery mode automatically. Step 2. Follow the on-screen instructions to manually put your device into DFU mode. When succeed, Joyoshare Activation Unlocker will start jailbreaking your device automatically. Step 3. Click the Start to Remove button, and your device will automatically enter recovery mode. After that, manually enter DFU mode again, and iPhone lock to owner will be bypassed.